Hey, what's up people? Today I'm here to give you a quick look at the HID portable Searchlight series of duvets. So I have here with me the MR Gear, which is a 43 watt Searchlight and is waterproof up to 100 meters. First, you'll notice that it comes in a black soft protective case. In the left and right side pockets of the bag, you'll find the battery, which is a 5800 mAh lithium-ion battery, and a shoulder strap. The body of the gear is made from aircraft-grade aluminium material that makes it possible to be used in disasters, firefighting, and emergency zones. And it weighs right at 1.53 kilograms without the battery. It is a strongly well-built waterproof device with an IP68 rating. From here, you can see it comes with an ergonomic handle with the power switch on top of it and a shoulder strap clip for portability and comfort. The rear side of the gear is where the battery is located. It can be easily accessed by unscrewing the cap. To put the rear cap back on, gently turn it anti-clockwise till you hear a click and then turn it in a clockwise pattern to completely seal it. The battery status momentarily displays on the rear cap when the light is turned on. The battery status can also be checked by pressing the push button at the bottom right corner of the battery. To charge the battery, open the rear cap and insert the power cable in the charging part of the battery. When the light is turned on, it takes about 5 to 7 seconds for it to reach its maximum illumination due to the HID technology. The light can reach a maximum brightness of 4100 lumens, has a throw distance of 1.2 kilometers, and a runtime of 90 minutes. The MR Gear comes with multiple filters, ranging from color filters, light diffusion filters, protection cover, and a UV filter. The MR Gear is for professionals who require massive clean light in a waterproof package. So that is it about the MR Gear.